On the way up to Winchester, it's a double race weekend. Filling up the truck, taking the dog out, ready to go. We made it. This is 250 A and B. We're gonna be running 30B and open B. These guys are ripping.
Down where to go now.
B races ever. I went 5-6 for 6th, and then I went 4-4 for 4th. Man, there's some fast guys. Fixing the track up is pretty brutal at the end of the day. We're racing again tomorrow. Let's go, boys. Time to get another trophy. 4th. Here we go. Open B. Now we're at Winchester Speedway, watching the races. My phone's gonna die, so I gotta post this video now.